Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to calibrate the screen in your Panasonic WX-CC411 wireless drive-thru intercom system. Alright, remember, when do you need calibration? You need calibration if you press one number or one alphabet and something else is pressed instead. Basically, it's off. Where you punch in your finger, some other area of the screen is being activated. That is when you know you need calibration. So here's how we calibrate the screen. To calibrate the screen, we need to go to settings. In order to do that, we need to press the wrench icon right here. When you press the wrench icon, you have to enter the password. The password is 12345, but it's the alphanumeric. There are no number pads here, so you have to press this twice in order to get the number pad. Once you have the number pad, you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You hit login. Once you hit login, you go to installation and settings. Then you go to touch screen or screen and touch panel. And then in touch panel adjustments, you click on execute. Once you're in execute, try to get a very fine point item that's not sharp to scratch the screen. So that would be like a stylus or a dull pencil or something to that nature. Something really fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the back of this pen. So I click there, follow this cross basically. Follow it here, and follow it here, and done. Finish the touch panel adjustments. Save the touch panel adjustment result or not? Yes. Save the touch panel adjustment. Finished saving the adjustment, and now we're good to go. Now if everything will respond accordingly and we are not off like we used to. Once you're done, you click on info, you will go back to the main screen and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.